Today's topic is a DIY home security. We will be covering Ring security, Cove security, Ooma security, and additional resources. We're going to start with Ring security. Ring Home Security Systems. Ring is a home security company with the mission of creating safer neighborhoods, accessible in the US and Canada, except for Quebec. Ring products are based on the principle of using your existing home Wi-Fi network to create a ring of security around your home. By hooking up to your Wi-Fi, Ring products use the free Ring app available for Apple and Android devices to alert you whenever someone approaches your door or comes in a range of a security camera. You can then view an HD video stream of the person and speak to them using two-way audio communication. These are some of the Ring security devices, and to view all the Ring products, you can just click on the link. What is the Ring app? Once you have bought and installed your Ring security devices, you can use the Ring app to see all your devices from your phone, no matter where you are. It's free on both Google Play and the App Store. You can see and speak through your doorbell and cameras. It senses motion and will send you alerts. It's always recording so you can go back and see if necessary with time and date. It will show the status and control all functions of your devices, such as floodlights and sirens. Create an account. When you open the app, it will ask you to either create an account or log in. Select Create Account, then put in your first and last name, and press Continue. Step 2. Input your email, then you select the country you live in, and finally you create a password. Step 3. Then you will get an email from Ring that will ask you to verify your account, and all you have to do is press Verify Now. Step 4. Now it's going to ask you to set up two-step verification. You will then put in your phone number and you will be texted a 6-digit code. Connect your device to the app. Now that you are all done setting up your account, you can add all your security devices to your phone so you can monitor them from anywhere. There are two ways to connect your Ring device to the app. The first one is to scan the codes on the back, or the QR or MAC ID. And the second one is to put in the 5-digit code. Cof security. What is Cof? Cof security provides effective and affordable home security systems. The Cof app lets you arm and disarm your home security system from virtually anywhere using your smartphone. You'll also get instant text alerts when your system status changes or sensors are triggered. With Cof Instant Text, you can respond to the instant text messages for help during an emergency in less than 30 seconds. See live activity from your Cof indoor camera and supports up to 6 family members. The Cof Mobile App. The Cof Security app is only available if you have the Cof Plus Monitor plan. You must complete the installation before you download the app. The app is available for download from the Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for iOS devices. Once you have the app connected to your home security system, you'll be able to monitor your house away from home. And if you need additional assistance, you can call their number or just click on the link for more information. Ooma Security. What is Ooma? The Ooma Home Security mobile app will always let you know what is happening with your home security system. Get real-time alerts for your home security sensors via text, email, or phone call. With the remote 911 feature, you'll be able to immediately call your local 911 dispatchers, and your home address will be automatically transmitted to the emergency responders. The Smart Security Activity Log tracks audio and video interruptions, so you will always know who's hanging out at your home and when. Ooma Mobile App. Once you have purchased and set up an Ooma Home Security Pack, you can connect it to your phone through the app by inputting your account ID or Ooma phone number. The Ooma app is available to install from the Play Store and App Store. When the app is connected, you will be able to receive alerts about the status of your house and check in with the video cameras whenever you would like. And to look at Ooma Home Security products and find out more information, you can just go to the link. These are some additional home security resources. Home Security, Keeping Seniors Safe at Home, 18 Simple DIY Home Security Hacks and Tips, and Best DIY Home Security. Now I'm going to be conducting a short live demo. To go to the Ring website, I just search Ring on Google, and I'm going to click the link. And this is the Ring website. At the top, you're going to have the options, so it's easier for you to find what you're looking for. The first one is to check out their products. They have the product plans, neighbors, Ring TV, the help, and shop. And you also have the option to log in, but you do not need to create an account to buy a system. I'm going to check out the video doorbells. So the beginning of the page is going to ask you if you want to take a quiz so you can get a better options based on your answers. So they know if you're looking for a video doorbell or something else. And you can also contact an expert to this number. These are the devices that they are offering. And they have two new devices, the Video Doorbell 4 and the Video Doorbell Pro 2. If you scroll down, you're going to find more information about the doorbells and how they work. It's also going to show you a short demo of how the video quality is. If you scroll all the way down, you're going to see the reviews, other features that they offer. If you go almost all the way down, you're going to see all the products and how they compare to each other. This is really good to see because you know what each of them offers that the other ones don't. So for example, to see more of them, I'm scrolling to the right. If I want to compare the two new doorbells, the Doorbell 4 and the Doorbell Pro 2, I can just check out here what is it that they are offering. I can see that they have almost the same features, but if I go all the way down, I see that the Doorbell 4 doesn't have built-in Alexa greetings. doesn't have head-to-toe video and doesn't have package alerts or bird's eye view, in compared to the Pro 2 that offers it. If I click on the doorbell, it's going to show me some pictures. We can see the camera. We can see that it has a range of 30 feet to see if someone is approaching your house. The video quality, and it also offers a small video. It's right here to see how it works. To the right, you have the plans that they offer. Just the doorbell is $250 for this one, but they also have other plans. Like for this one, that's $299. It offers a 8-piece alarm security kit plus the indoor cam. You can see that they also offer free shipping, and they have a 30-day trial. And this is more information of how the camera works. You can go all the way down and see more of the features that they offer. And just more information, another video of how it works. Of the alerts, how you get the alerts. More features. This is the Alexa greetings. An easy overlook of how you're going to install it. More pictures, more features. And again, it compares the different doorbells that they have. What would be good to know is when you go to the website taking the quiz. If you take it, I think it's going to be really good because it's going to show you the devices are for what you're looking for. And that's it for today's presentation. Thank you.